Okay, so next we basically have family budget. So what's this budget called? Family budget. Previously I just told you this one, the family budget one, right? So next, let's talk about this. What is actually a family budget? So budget is a kind of numerical expressions. Numerical numbers are there. It's a numerical expressions of planning. We are planning. We plan. We will gonna plan on what? On budget, family budget. Just now I told you in which field we need to spend how much. If we have that proper budget at the beginning of the month, then we can lead a very disciplined life. Okay, so that's it's what about the family budget is. Budget is a kind of numerical expressions of planning for achieving some specific purpose. Numerical expressions of predefined plan of income and expenditure. Now, is stipulated time is known as budget. So predefined, the thing I told you, beginning of month. Right, beginning of month. We need to prepare that family budget at the beginning of month on what? Of our income and our expenditure. We know our possible incomes, right? We know our possible incomes. If you are a job holder, you can know your incomes pretty sharply, pretty exactly. But if you are a businessman, you can actually assume, in this month I can have this much of money to run my business or to run my family. So if we make that plan before, that called actually budget. Plan of what? Our financial plan. Okay, so there is no hard and fast rule for the specific time frame. It may be weekly, it may be monthly or yearly, right? So you can do it weekly, you can do it by monthly or yearly. Yearly, less discouraged. Monthly is encourageable, weekly is also encourageable. So family budget means future plan. In short, if I said, family budget means future plan for income and expenditure of your family. Family budget is designed through, like in financial statement, we have a proper specific format, we have a proper category and all those things. But in family budget or in family accounting system, there is nothing like that. Okay. So family budget is designed through a pre-plan based on the source of income and sector-wise demand or for expenditure of the family. Budgeting helps to keep the family within a financial framework. Sorry. Financial budget helps you to keep on your budget, helps you to be in a budget, right? So without that, it's not possible. So if family is maintained within such framework, like that is budget, we can live a better life with limited income. There's actually nothing limited. If you know your limitations, you can easily go over there. So this is my limitations. I can go. This is my wall. I can't cross it. So if I go to the wall, I got hurt. So that's the thing. This is my income. I cannot cross it. So if I know my limitations, I can move it easily. That's why the budget is. That's the reason the family budget is. Okay.